Okay, crafters, today I'm going to show you something it's not really a craft, it's just something kind of practical to use in your garden and in your house to repel insects, mosquitoes, fleas, all kinds. I'll put a whole list in the description, but it's easy to make, easy to do, so let's get started.
Okay, most of us know that cedar works in your garden, but I was looking for something for the spiders inside my house. So I had this cedarwood oil and I had these, it's not cedar chips, it's pine that I had around my uh, plants in my yard. So I brought a pail of it inside and I made up some little pouches to put around my house, and that's what made me decide to make this video. I have not seen one spider, and I mean, this place is loaded up with spiders inside and outside. In fact, I have killed two black widows outside. So this little pouch, I wanted to show you how easy. It's made from the end of a t-shirt. You see the hem of the t-shirt right there, and I didn't have a sewing machine. I just did a little in and out stitch across the bottom and across the side, and then you use the hem to put you a string into it to close it up. So I just put the cedarwood oil on the chips, and I made a couple little pouches like this and placed them around where I had been seeing spiders, like on my couch all the time. But you also could use a cheesecloth, and I've already made some of those because I tucked them in between the couch cushions. And you can see it's well used. I just wrapped some in some cheesecloth and put a rubber band, and I take it out occasionally. I have a couple of them, and I put more oil on them, let them sit for a little bit till the cloth starts to kind of dry out, and put them back in. But you could use these little like makeup puffs. Even a cotton ball would work, and maybe a pill bottle. Drill some holes in it. Like if you don't want it getting on your furniture or whatever, wherever you need to sit it, then just put the oil on it, put that inside. And it probably would keep longer that way because it does dissipate. Now, I have a friend that gave me these little, they're nicotine pouch containers that I'm planning to make a craft out of. So you could use one of those and drill holes around the edges, and I think it would work fine. It's got like a little top compartment and then the bottom compartment, so you could put some in both pieces. And on the little cloth or cotton ball or whatever, some toilet paper even. But that was it. I just wanted to show y'all that. Also, a lot of people are talking about cedar oil for your dogs for fleas and ticks. Now, I wouldn't count on it, like give your dog no flea medicine and count on that, because it does dissipate rather quickly. But for mosquitoes, I've noticed that this works on me. I take a little bit of coconut oil, put a couple drops of the cedar wood together with it, mix it up on my hands, and rub it on my arms, my legs, my ankles, where they like to give me, because I'm a real mosquito magnet. So that's another good use that I've found. It's been working. So Jeffrey, I'm still using it on him, when we go out to walk. I do a little bit just like that with the coconut oil and the cedarwood drops, and then I rub it onto his skin, and we go for our walk. But like I said, I wouldn't count on it for the whole thing. And then here's the list of the insects that it's supposed to repel.
Well, that's it for today, and I will see you on the next one. Please don't forget to hit the like button, it really helps my channel. Bye!